same place but another car. So got my wagon here. Here's the damage once again. Driver's door, fender, front bumper, and just a couple of scuffs on the headlights. So I got the fender out. Had a little bit of complication here. Let me show you. So I had to rip this bolt out because it was stripped. So yeah, I got the bumper out. But yeah, took the old bumper off, old reinforcement and fender. And also I did something to my 540i sedan. Okay, so the door is out. It wasn't easy. It's a really heavy one, so it took a little bit of effort, but here's what it looks like. So I unbolted everything with the bracket itself. And now is the fun part. So I got the semi-new door and the old door. So I'm going to transfer every single thing from this one to the new one. It's going to be harness, it's going to be the glass itself and also the door panel and probably window regulator, but I'm gonna see how damaged this window regulator is, so let's continue. I'm finally done with the door. It's been such a long day, but anyhow, let me show you everything that I've done. Okay, so here's what the new door looks like on the inside. So I got the old panel back on it, all of these trims and this chrome trim as well. Got a wire harness for it also. And here's what it looks like on the outside. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it for today. I'm really tired and actually excited to come here tomorrow and finish everything up. So I just going to put the headlights back and front bumper cover and the fender, and that should be it. See you soon.